guys, welcome back. So I finally have my FabFitFun box for fall 2023. It definitely took a while to arrive to me this season for whatever reason, but it literally just got in the mail, so I rushed down here so I could film this unboxing for you guys and check out all the cool stuff that I ordered. So you gotta check out everything that I ordered from FabFitFun for this season. Definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked down below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching yet another video. So alright, my FabFitFun box finally arrived. It took forever to get to me this season for whatever reason, but I'm just happy it's here. For those of you who might not be familiar with FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service where you get full-size products every season for really amazing values. This video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. I purchased all of these items by myself. They have no idea who I am. So hopefully in that way I can give you an unbiased review of a lot of these products. I just love this subscription service. I've been a member for many years now and I really enjoy it. It's my only subscription service right now as well. So I'm just happy to share with you what I pick up every season, and I also really love all the feedback I get from you guys regarding my FabFitFun videos because I learn a lot about these products from you as well, so it's super fun for me too. Alright, enough chit chat, let's just get into this unboxing. I do have some add-on products where I added on some extra products to the box for a little upcharge, so those should be included in the box here. This is a true unboxing. I have not unboxed this. Again, I just literally got this on my doorstep a few minutes ago. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open this up here. Okay, so just to thank you for shopping, have a nice day, which is kind of nice. Here is how the presentation looks in case you're wondering. Alright, so I have a lot of things here. Again, this is a combination of add-ons and my actual subscription. So I'm going to start with, let's see, some of the add-ons that I can remember. So I have several things here which I know are add-ons. And these are my Invisibobble pack-ups. I talk about this every single FabFitFun season. I just love picking up new versions of these. This season there are a lot of Disney themed ones with the scrunchies and also the actual regular Invisibobbles. I love these. I think the values are really great. I have two young daughters, as I always talk about, so they love these as well. So let me show you some of these up close. Okay guys, so here's the first one. This is just the regular Invisibobble, as you can see here, but it's Cinderella. And I just love this little colorway. It's so cute, perfect for stocking stuffers if you guys are looking for that kind of thing. And then these are the Invisibobble scrunchies. So there's an Invisibobble inside, but then it's surrounded by a little scrunchie. So there's Ariel, my youngest daughter's favorite princess. And then this is Belle, which is my oldest daughter's favorite. And these are the princesses that they dressed up on our recent Disney cruise that I talked about before. So it's just kind of ironic that they offered both of these. So really great values, really cute little gifts and stocking stuffers. Okay, so I believe this next item is another add-on. Don't quote me on that, but I think it is. And this is this beautiful candle. So, I mean, I just love the packaging. Let me show you guys up close in a minute. But it's sage and cedarwood, which I think is perfect for fall. So here is the packaging of this beautiful candle. I just love the aesthetic here. Oh, it's a really nice box. And let's see. It's like it's upside down for some reason, but this is what it looks like. I mean, this is so pretty. Look at this. I got it just because of the vessel, quite honestly. It was really reasonably priced, if I remember, and I just love this ceramic vessel. I think it's going to be so pretty for decor, so excited about this. And it definitely has notes of cedarwood, really nice for fall, I think. So that's a really cute little candle. Okay, and then I believe this may be my last add-on. I can't even remember. It's been that long because it took forever to get this box, but I think this is my last add-on. I really tried to pare down the add-ons that I had in my box this season just because I have a lot of just stuff laying around everywhere, and you can really get carried away with add-ons in FabFitFun. I know you all know what I'm talking about, so I really forced myself to pare down because, you know, we just have too much stuff, I think a lot of us. So that's what I did. I was pretty proud of myself. So this is the add-on that I wanted to go with one of the selections from this season, but this is the Alice and Olivia pencil pouch, I believe. Yeah, pencil pouch. So I thought this was so cute, and this little Alice and Olivia girl charm here sometimes looks like me if I put my hair in a bun and wear my big sunglasses. I do have the little mirror that they offered seasons ago. So I wanted to just add this because I thought it would go well with that, and this also matches the bag that was offered in Customization 1 as I'm about to show you. So let me show you some details up close. Okay, so here's what they call the pencil pouch, but honestly, look at how big it is. I mean, you can put a lot more than just pencils in here. They have a couple of compartments in this pouch as well that are just little slip compartments, and it's lined, but it's huge. So this to me looks more like a cosmetic pouch, so I may just use it for just random odds and ends rather than pencils alone. I mean, who has to carry this many pencils? Probably nobody, so I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I think it's more of a cosmetic pouch. Here's that cute little charm. I just love her. But yeah, seems really nice and a great little addition to my bag that I got as well. All right, so I believe everything left in here is a part of the seasonal box. Just removing the stuff in here. So I did also get a few extra customized items for a slight upcharge. You could select several different items in that customize option. So I did that, but everything here really is part of the box. So there are a couple of little notices here, and oh, this is nice. This is a little freebie. It's Ricola Throat Balm. It's a caramel flavor. Not sure how I feel about Ricola doing caramel flavor. I love Ricola. In fact, I've talked about it many times. I use or eat the original Ricola, the mint version, just the original. I just like the classic original almost every day when I'm at work as kind of a mint, and it also soothes my throat because I talk a lot. But I don't know about caramel. That just seems weird to me, having a cough drug company make a caramel flavor. But I'm happy to try this. That's a really nice little sample. All right, so I'm going to pull out what I know is the first item from customization here, because it matches the pouch that I just showed you. So this is what I selected for Customization 1. I thought this is a really good value. This is the Alice and Olivia tote. They also offered it in a Moroccan style print, but I kind of like the stripe better. I don't know why, but I did. So I picked this up. This is a great just everyday kind of catch-all tote. They've offered similar totes, actually a similar one from Alice and Olivia with a daisy pattern before, and other similar designers too. But these are just so practical. I use them as hand carry totes. I use them if we're going on road trips. Just really versatile kind of bag. You could use it for work, you could use it for the gym, you know, all of these kinds of things. So let me show you what it looks like on. So you can snap down the sides here if you want more of a duffel style look, but for more of a tote look, it just kind of looks like this. I think it's a great practical size just for, you know, toting around whatever you need. So that is what it looks like. And here are some details. There's actually some really nice slip pockets on the side, and it has a zipper on the back. It has the really cute little charm that I just loved. And inside, let's see what's inside. It's just a huge tote, but it also actually has a crossbody strap, which is nice. But it's just, you know, this huge tote, and it has a zipper interior pocket as well. So just a really great practical bag, and it matches perfectly with that little pencil pouch slash cosmetic bag that I picked up to go along with it. So I'm all set for the season. Okay, so now is where I don't remember the order of each customized product, so I'm just going to pull things out. I was excited to get this. This is the little bangle or cuff from Alex and Ani. And it comes really nicely packaged here. Okay, so here's the cute little dust bag that this bracelet comes with. And then here's the actual bracelet. So it comes wrapped in protective bubble wrap. But this is a beautiful little emerald cuff, so it's so pretty. I love Alex and Ani. I have a couple of their bracelets, and I couldn't pass this up. I don't need more bracelets. I love bracelets. I don't need more because I wear these basically every day. But I just thought this would be a real nice little addition. And it's adjustable to some extent just because you can kind of mold the metal there. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's so pretty. I'm really into green these days, so I think it'll pair really nicely with the watch I wear in this hand. I may even stack it with my other bracelets, but I feel like that may be a little much. So I think maybe on this hand, but this is super pretty. So yeah, definitely recommend this if you see it pop up on future option choices. Okay, so next up here, I have a candle. So this is from Free People. It's the Lodge candle, and it's supposed to be Palo Santo and Patchouli. I haven't tried Free People candles, so I was excited about this. But one of you did mention that there is petroleum in this, which I need to be better about looking for, because I don't really look for that. I don't really think about it. So thank you so much for your comment. You know who you are. I appreciate it. In the future, I will probably be more cognizant of what candles are made of. I honestly haven't been so much recently, but I think I need to be. So by the time I realized that, I'd already purchased this, and I'm still excited about it. I'm still going to use it. It smells great, but you know, that's just something to be wary of. All right, so let's take this out of the bag and show you guys. So this is how the top looks. It's Free People 1809 Lodge candle. It's really pretty packaging. It has a little dust protector like that. And this vessel is really high quality. It's glass, and it just looks really, really pretty. Will go perfectly for fall decor. This does smell really nice as well. Perfect for fall. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Even though maybe not the cleanest candle to burn, you know, I think still I'm really, really gonna enjoy it. So looking forward to that. Okay, so next up is my makeup product that I got here. I should say one of the makeup products. It's the one from Fenty Beauty, and I know this was a separate extra upcharge product because I really wanted to get this in addition to, I think, the bracelet. So I had to pay a pretty small amount to get this one. This is the Ease Droplet, and it's an all-over glow enhancer. And thank you for your comments in the chat on my last video. You suggested that I try, in general, this, what is it called? Taffy Topaz shade. So let's check it out. I have not tried this product. I have a few Fenty products, especially the Gloss Bomb. I really like that. And I got a brush from FabFitFun before from Fenty. But I haven't tried this product. So this is supposed to be like an all-over glow product. Ooh, this looks really, really pretty. So I do think that this will go really well with my skin tone. I'm really happy about this. I'm not going to open it just because I'm not quite ready to use it. I have other similar products, but I will definitely check this out and let you know what I think. But this is a super, super pretty little piece, so I'm excited about this. So in case you're wondering, here's what the packaging looks like. And then here is the product. So this is Taffy Topaz, which I think you're right, probably would go pretty well with my skin tone. So really nice packaging. I have a couple other beauty products, so maybe I'm going to move to this next. I was excited about these. So this is the set of 4 Eucalyptus shower steamers. So I have not tried shower steamers. Feels like they might have cracked a little in here, but that's okay. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's a shower steamer, but it feels like it's a little cracked in here. So my kids love, love, love bath bombs. Usually they try to get the ones that have little toys in them for obvious reasons, but they love bath bombs. I don't tend to take baths that much anymore, probably just to save time. So I love showers. So this is kind of like a bath bomb for the shower. I think you're supposed to put in the shower and it steams, and it's kind of a spa-like experience. So I'm excited about this. So here's what the packaging looks like. They're a set of 4 shower steamers. So I'm excited to try this out. Never tried them before. If you have a great brand of shower steamers you love, please comment below. I probably am gonna get more into these. Okay, so I have my two most favorite products left, I think. So I'm so excited to try these. The first is the Necessaire Body Lotion. I tried the body wash that was offered in FabFitFun before. I love it. Everyone raves about this line, so I'm excited to try the body lotion. You will see in an upcoming Sephora haul, I will also pick up the body serum because everyone says such great things about that. But for this box, they offered the body lotion, so I wanted to try this out. And I will show you guys up close what it looks like in terms of packaging. So very simple, minimalistic type of packaging. And it comes in this huge tube. This is pretty nice for body lotion. So it's fragrance free. It's probably sealed, I imagine. Yes, so I won't open it, but it is fragrance free, so it probably doesn't smell like anything anyway. But I just heard great things, so I'm excited to try this. Probably use it after my shower. Which would be really nice and just kind of help with moisturization, especially in these really dry, hot months. I think this is perfect. So I'm really excited about this. Also excited to try out some of the other products in the line. All right, so sadly, I just have two products left and they're the same thing. Everything else has been already unboxed, so that was pretty quick. But I had some really great products here. So the last two products are these. And I went a little crazy. I really wanted to try this Summer Fridays balm. And this is such a great deal that was offered for. It definitely beat the price on Sephora, so I had to get two. This is a lip butter balm in vanilla beige. I love this color. I've heard such great things. So I decided to pick one for my selection, but also pick a second one. So you could do that. You could just pay extra and get multiples. So super happy about that. All right, so here is what this looks like. And I am going to bust into one of these now because I just really want to try it out. So let's see what it looks like. All right, here's the packaging. And again, I think this is just supposed to be a balm. And it has this kind of applicator tip. And this color is really pretty. Here's the color. Let me go ahead and try it on. I just put it over my lipstick. It's kind of messy, honestly, but I know what people are talking about. It's super moisturizing. I really, really like this. I'm happy I got two like a crazy person. So yeah, this is gonna be my go-to balm, at least for now. I'm gonna throw it into my purse right after this video. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's it for my fall FabFitFun 2023 unboxing. I didn't get so many products in terms of numbers, but I got some really, really high quality products and a lot of makeup skincare stuff this season, which I am so happy about. So I will say this season seems to be a better one compared to the recent seasons. I honestly really like essentially all of the products I got. And I got some really nice high quality things. So my favorite is the Summer Fridays balm. No surprise, I got two. I do like the Alice and Olivia set. And then I love this bracelet. I mean, these are kind of the highlights for me this season. But yeah, I love the service. I think you get amazing stuff for really great prices. So definitely check out my description box down below. If you want to try out FabFitFun for yourself, you can click on my link and you will save a little bit of money. All right, well, let me know down below what were your favorites from this season. I love talking with you guys about all these products, and I love reading your comments and your suggestions, tips, and tricks as well, so keep them coming. Thank you so, so much for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying the last few bits of summer and really excited like I am to head into the fall season. I'm planning a lot of fun content, including some luxury unboxings, but also including more fall type of theme videos, styling videos, you know, things like that. I just love putting those together. So definitely stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed. Thanks so much for watching this one, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.